What is up, Diecast family? How we doing here? This is your boy Gary coming at you with a Saturday car show. So I just put this Mustang up there, man. I think this Mustang is pretty cool. The only thing is it needs some wheel swaps, right? How many of you guys agree with that? Put it in the comment section. Yeah, it does need a wheel swap to make it pop more. But that's not what we're here for. So guys, we're gonna go back a while. And I'm gonna show some cars. I showed them a long time ago. And I just found them in one of the Plano cases. And I figured, hey, why not let them pop again? And it is the Hot Wheels Redline 50th anniversary set. So, without further ado, guys, as I always say, let's get this party started. And the first piece, guys, is the Volkswagen Bug. Only thing missing, man, is some real riders on this bad boy. I can deal with the wheels, but man, real riders will make this bad boy pop big time. And man, I found these, man, when I used to work at Target. Like most of my jobs I had to do with stores. It's only because I wanted to get closer to Hot Wheels. I didn't care about the job. Next, guys, we got this Hemi Barracuda. And this set was pretty cool. It's like when they put it on the pegs, I was right there going for it. And I found all 5 of them. So next, guys, we got the Camaro. I think this is a 67, if I'm sorry, not a Camaro, Mustang. Because I'm looking at the Camaro. But yeah, this is back in the days, man, when you can actually go to the store and find cars. Not like today. That's before people figured out you could sell these cars and make money. Scalping wasn't that bad back then. Yeah, I miss those days when you can go out and hunt. You don't have to compete with anybody but another collector. Okay, next, guys, we're going to show the Camaro. But yeah, that's that bad boy right there. I hope all you guys that are out there hunting, finding what you're looking for. I did a video at my Target And it wasn't too badly stocked. It just didn't have anything I wanted at that time. But it did have some nice stuff in there. Like the Firebird, I thought those were pretty cool. And a few other cars. I mean, what are they called? Sorry, guy. Matchbox moving park cars were on sale. So, guys, we have the Cougar. So, I guess those cars were the ones that were like peg warmers. But it was probably basically three castings that they had in there. I think one was the EV something, the Jeep. But I was just surprised that they actually had some stuff going on in there. Okay, guys. I'm going to hit you with some other oldie but goodies. We have the Mercedes Benz. You know, every now and then you want to go through and repost a few cars that you thought were pretty cool back in the days. And I think they're still cool right now. Alfa Romeo. So guys, if you made it past the first set, I'll give you boy a thumbs up. If you have a favorite in there, please put it in the comments section. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing to us. Appreciate that. My OGs, as always, man, thank you guys for having my back. And for that, there are 2 challenges out there that I'm aware of. There might be more. One is called, I just did one. It's called Silver Steel. Steel. God, come on, lips, come on, work with me. And there's another one out. From Paul. Okay, guys, here's the Audi. I like these cars. I got this thing with colors, guys. I like cars with a lot of color. That's why I think I'm into those rally cars. I need to pick up some more. I think rally cars are cool. Never were into them, but man, I see some of them. It's like, yeah. I think when I got the ones from Majorette, that really made me revisit rally cars. Okay, next, guys, we have the Porsche 993. There was something else I wanted to say. I just completely forgot. I don't know, man. The mind is creeping away from me. I just can't remember a lot of stuff I wanted to talk about. But that's good. You don't want to have to hear me anyway. Okay, next guys, we got the Porsche 935. So I hope you guys have a awesome Saturday, especially if you're hunting. Hunting on the weekend is horrible, but sometimes you get lucky. And I hope you guys do get lucky out there. And the last one, guys, is the BMW M1. This was a nice set when I found it also back in the day. So guys, I want to thank you again if you made it this far. Appreciate that. Again, give your boy a thumbs up. If you have a favorite in this set of 5, please put it in the comments section. And as always, man, I definitely appreciate you guys holding me up. I was almost at the 3,000, and in one day I dropped 20 something watch hours. And like, what the hell happened? How the hell can you drop 21 hours? Or 20 something, it's 20 something, I don't know, in one day. I think I was like 8 away from 3,000, and all of a sudden it disappeared. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't understand how this YouTube stuff works. But no need to cry over spilled milk. What happened, and I can't change it. But I do appreciate you guys helping me try to get there. And I will see you guys on the next one. So guys, happy hunting. Happy Saturday. Peace. I am out. Bye now.